Roll-off dumpster rental service in Omaha, Nebraska. Looking for reliable and affordable roll-off dumpster rentals in Omaha, Nebraska? RMS Dumpsters has you covered. Whether you're working on a home renovation, construction project, or cleaning out your garage, we provide the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our roll-off dumpsters come in a variety of sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. At RMS Dumpsters, we pride ourselves on offering fast, reliable, and cost-effective dumpster rental services. We understand how important it is to have a clean and organized work environment, which is why we ensure timely delivery and pickup of your dumpster, so you can focus on getting the job done. Our dumpsters are perfect for a range of projects, including home cleanouts, construction debris, yard waste, and even large commercial jobs. We make it easy to rent a dumpster with no hidden fees or hassle. Plus, our team is here to guide you through the process and help you choose the right dumpster size for your project. When you need a roll-off dumpster rental in Omaha, Nebraska, RMS Dumpsters is the name to trust. Call us today at 402-510-7016 for a free quote and to schedule your dumpster delivery. Let us help you keep your project organized and stress-free.